What's up? It's Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am in Mid-City, New Orleans today. We're looking at a property. Someone went to homebuyerlouisiana.com, told us about a property. They wanted us to help them get off their hands and how to get in touch with them. And now here I am. So this is actually a landlord. He's just trying to clear some of his portfolios. Got a little too many properties. Kind of tired of dealing with the in and out tenants here. So it is 2 units. Upper and lower, both units are 1 bedroom, 1 bath. I can definitely tell on the downstairs from the exterior, it looks really great. As I walk through the house, so there was some slope, so there's probably some piers under the house that need, to be looked at, or joists, subflooring, all that kind of stuff. So here we do have some broken windows. The downstairs bathroom is like fully handicap accessible, which helps sometimes, but also makes it harder for them to rent out other times. There's definitely some maintenance things going on that have been kind of like let go of. I can see spots on the roof. So my question is here, has the roof been repaired? And just the sheetrock damage is left, or do we still need to really go into and look at what that roof condition is? I can also see here, we've got some termite residue and stuff going on. That clearly there was a window unit here that kind of destroyed the framing and allowed some termite damage to happen. So we don't have any major issues in this property, but it is just something that they want to get off their hands faster than it's going to get off their hands with an agent, because typically an agent's going to come in, another buyer's going to come in and request like X, Y, and Z to be repaired, and they don't feel like dealing with that. So we buy houses as is condition. The roof issues, the foundation issues, the joist issues, right? We've got cracks in sheetrock. We've got some termite stuff that we need to look into. So we're buying it as is, which makes it easier, quicker, and way more painless than, going through a real estate agent. So if you have a property you just want to help, you want help for us to move it fast, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com and tell us what you got.